Hello, today we will guide you through how to place a trade in HFM. To begin, open the HFM platform by going to the My HF main page in your browser. This is where you can access your account tools and trading features. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you are on the main dashboard so you can easily find the trading options. Next, look toward the right side of the screen and click on Trade. This will take you from the main account area into the section where you can begin accessing the trading platform. If you do not see it immediately, pause for a second and scan the right-hand side carefully, since this is the key entry point for opening the trading interface. After that, click on the option to select the sample platform. This step is important because it opens the platform environment where you can view charts, symbols, and order controls. Make sure you choose the sample platform shown on screen so that you are taken to the correct trading area. Once the platform opens, select the sample symbol. The symbol is the asset or instrument you want to trade, and choosing it will load the related chart and trading details. This is an important step because your buy or sell action will apply to whichever symbol you have selected. Before moving on, it is always a good idea to quickly confirm that the chart matches the symbol you intended to open. Now go to the top left of the chart and click either buy or sell. This step lets you choose the direction of the trade based on whether you want to enter a buying position or a selling position. Be careful here because this determines the type of order you are preparing. Take a brief moment to confirm your choice before continuing. Once you are done selecting, move to the panel on the right side and click Sell or Buy there to place the order. This is the final action that submits the trade. The right panel is where the order is confirmed, so make sure everything displayed matches what you want before clicking. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of placing a trade in HFM, from opening the platform to selecting a symbol and submitting your order. As a final tip, always review your trade details carefully before placing any order, especially the symbol and trade direction, to help avoid mistakes.